Hello you guys, so I am back to share with you a quick video over the the covering of the handbag purse journals. Okay, I didn't want to leave anyone hanging, and I had a couple of you ask, how do you cover these journals? So what I've got laid out here, two different types of the handbag journals that I make, and I'm gonna tell you how you can cover them. Okay, so I just want to point, this kit is just gorgeous. I love this kit. So this is the 2-inch spine one. So all you would do is just like a regular journal, you guys, as you can see. And the extra handles will be taken out of that. But all you would do is, same as just doing a regular journal, you would layer your page, whatever you're going to have for your cover, layer it however you're going to layer it, cover the back, and then you go in with whatever you're going to have on your spine, and then attach your spine piece to it however you want. Typically I do that. You don't have to, but I like to cover my the strings up. So you attach that piece after you have sewn in your signatures. Okay, so that one is, I mean, fairly simple. They both are. Do not think that they're not simple, because it's very simple to cover both of these. Now with this one, love that purple. You would just take, if you're going to leave your string showing where you sewed in the signatures or the signature, then you would take a piece and let it cover that as much as possible of the cover as possible. See how there's quite a bit of it? And you would do the back the same. Okay, that way there's little showing of your binding, your string. You won't be able to see it that much. And the ones that I've done the journals on, it didn't take away from the journal at all. They were very beautiful. So it was no detraction there at all on that. Now with the last journal that I did, I covered it a bit differently. And I'm gonna show you this. It's this one. And as you can see, it's just one piece, okay? So with that, all you have to do, or all that I did, okay, I had to sew my signature in before I could cover the journal. So we're going to pretend that this has already been cut out and it is the same length and width of the cover, okay? I would go ahead, and what I did, I glued my fabric piece, which I had 2 layers. One was a thick cotton, and the other was a gauzy material, silky material. I glued it to the back cover first, and then let that dry. After it was dry, I went ahead and sewed my signature in, okay? And my signature was very chunky, so I used a roll of tape and propped my journal up as I worked on it. But I did go ahead and glue the size fabric to the front of the cover, let that dry, and then I worked on adding all the extra lace and stuff. But I just used, because if your journal is popping out that much, you're going to have to even it out some. So I just had a piece of tape hanging over on this side, and that way that was straight. And I just began to decorate the cover. Okay, so the reason for that, me telling you guys that, because like I said, I did have a couple of you asking, and I didn't want to leave anyone hanging on that. If I, put a video out, I do like to share with you guys how I've done that, so that series can be complete. And I actually did some videos showing the process of that, and I tried to upload them without audio, but I've not been able to figure out how to do that because I record with my phone. So I did want you guys to see how I did that. And no, you guys, the videos were horrible. It was loud, like it's worse now. The doggies barking, the kids were running crazy, and just some other things. But I also want to share with you guys, I just completed this haul video, and as I was looking at these, making a video about this, and I realized that I have another freaking bag from Tuesday morning, you guys. Oh my goodness. And I'm going to show you, I'm hiding this because I want to show you why I remembered I had another bag. So I've got some napkins. Beautiful. Some tape. That's going to be lovely. It's wrapping tape, but I'm going to use it as decoration as well. I got a couple of the Tattered Angels. And some washi tape. But this is why I remembered. Oh, there's more. I've used some of that already. This is why I remembered. You guys, look at what I found in Tuesday morning. These are purse handles, you guys. So that's going to be lovely on a purse journal. And then I've got these different styles, 3 different styles like this. And they were only $2.49 a piece. There's that style. Excuse me, I hope you can catch the color on that one. And then this style. This one is a little bit more like country. And then I have these. Someone is saying they're all country. But I have these styles. Look at that. So anywho, I just thought I would share that with you guys. If any of you want to go and try and find you some of these and add it to your journal, make a little purse journal, I would love to see how it turns out, what you come up with. It's kind of loud. I will see you guys on the next video.